to you. Several of the folks have talked about data. Nick mentioned it as well. And, there's sort of that we all are familiar with the last mile. Let's talk about the first mile on that data journey and perhaps what the agency should be considering as they move forward, becoming sort of this data-centric entity, if you will.
Yeah, it's a good point, Luke, to be able to sort of stare at this, sea of information that exists,
which is ever increasing.
And I heard multiple folks here on the call talking about moving from multiple clouds to a hybrid cloud ecosystem or a multi-cloud ecosystem. So sort of knitting that together into, a data fabric. But understanding where your data is very important, and then being able to once it's located, that first mile of find it and move it. Like no matter where it is, you don't want to care about where it is or care what format it's in. You want to be able to get it to that central place. So that first mile is sort of crucial to be able to take the next steps of information management. We do some things for some customers that moving edge data, let's just say log data from all the edge devices into a central location in support of cybersecurity. Okay. So putting a big data platform to, collect it, streamline it, align it, enrich it, and put it in a format that it can be consumed by the cybersecurity stack before the cybersecurity stack performs its functions, actually aids in detection times. It aids in detection rates, so it moves detection times down, detection rates up. And then obviously you're putting data into the cybersecurity stack that is already pre-processed, if you will. That first mile, you can use, open source tools like NiFi and Kafka and Flink to perform some enrichment and some level of processing that when it gets to the cybersecurity stack, it makes the job of the stack a whole lot more effective than it would be prior to that. And so a lot of bang for a little bit of bucks that actually gets you to a place where, as you're the CISO now, and you're now operating a very finely tuned machine compared to what you were prior to having this processing being done. But importantly is any source to any location. You don't want to care about that. If you're the CIO or you're the CDO, you don't want to worry about where is it. Or you want to know where it is, but you're not worried about why it is where it is. It could be in the cloud already. It may not be in the cloud already. It may be in a legacy data center and you want to put it in the cloud. So the destination and the origination shouldn't be of consequence. You'll be able to identify it and move it, and then to do the things that you want to do with it, with that modern ecosystem that I heard the two ladies talking about. So
sure.
That first mile is sort of crucial to get it where you want to have it to use it.